Motor.
Alright, what we got here is we took off this flywheel to get to the rear crankshaft seal, which we replaced already. And you can tell right here is our evidence of everything we replaced, including the oil pump, which goes inside, way inside here. We had to take off this valve oil pan cover, and then we took off the harmonic balancer, and then we put a seal in there. You can see that orange stuff with the orange goo. So we got that. We'll need a motor mount. This side has one already. And then what else we got?
Thermostat.
Oh, the thermostat. We need to put that in. This one here is the oil filter, but we'll put that in once we put the engine in. Almost done. And we still gotta pull this engine here. That's the old one that went kaput at 240,000 miles. And this is an engine from Northwest Auto at 120,000 miles. So get this up and running within 12 hours.